Hello everyone, welcome to Qondle Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to write articles with ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Qondle Technology. So let's get started. To write articles is easier with ChatGPT, helping you generate ideas, structure content, and refine your writing quickly. Here I'm gonna show you step-by-step structure with some points and example prompts. So let's go. Number 1. Generate engaging article ideas. Here ChatGPT can suggest unique and training articles topics based on your niche or interest. Example prompt: suggest 5 article ideas about personal finance for young professionals. Let's see the answer. Here it is. Number 2. Structure and outline your article. You can get a well-organized outline to ensure clarity and logical flow before you start writing. Example prompt: create a detailed outline for an article on the benefits of remote work in 2025. And the last one, number 3. Write and refine content efficiently. ChatGPT can generate full article drafts, improve readability, and refine tone to match your style. Example prompt: write a 500-word article on the impact of AI on digital marketing with a professional tone. So let's see the answer. You'll get the best answer from ChatGPT. So with ChatGPT, writing articles on your PC become faster and more efficient. From generating ideas to refining content, you can create high-quality articles effortlessly. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.